Hello friends, welcome back to Old Coins Element. In the year 2000, the United States Mint introduced a new golden dollar coin, the Sacagawea dollar, often called the Liberty $1 due to the word Liberty inscribed above the portrait. This coin replaced the Susan B. Anthony dollar and was designed to be more visually distinct and widely accepted. The obverse of the coin features Sacagawea, the young Shoshone woman who guided the Lewis and Clark expedition, carrying her infant son, Baptiste. It was designed by artist Glenna Goodacre. The reverse, by Thomas D. Rogers, depicts a soaring eagle surrounded by 17 stars, representing the states in the Union at the time of the Lewis and Clark journey. Sacagawea symbolizes Native American contributions to U.S. history, particularly in exploration and diplomacy. The coin's golden color came from a manganese brass alloy, giving it a distinctive appearance to avoid confusion with quarters. The coins were minted at Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco, proof versions. While heavily promoted, they struggled in everyday circulation, partly due to the public's continued preference for dollar bills. Most of their use came in vending machines, transit systems, and collector sets. 2000 p. Over 767 million, highest mintage. 2001 to 2005, numbers dropped significantly, often under 100 million/year. Circulated condition. Coins show where from use. Value usually $1. Uncirculated condition. Bright, nowhere, may fetch a premium, especially early year mint sets. Proof condition. Mirror finish, struck for collectors, often sold in sets by the U.S. Mint. The Sacagawea dollar of 2000 to 2005 marks a significant effort to honor Native American heritage and promote dollar coin use in modern America. Though not widely used in daily transactions, its legacy continues through ongoing Native American dollar coin programs. Would you like a printable version or visual presentation of this script? The first step today's video is all about the 2000 Liberty $1 coin, also famously known as the Sacagawea dollar coin. This golden-colored coin carries deep historical significance and is a beautiful piece of American numismatic history. Let's dive into its complete history, design, geography, circulation, and value in different conditions. Part 1. Background and History 030. The Liberty $1 coin introduced in the year 2000 was designed to replace the Susan B. Anthony dollar. The U.S. Mint wanted a coin that was more visually appealing and could circulate better with the public. To celebrate Native American history, the U.S. Treasury chose Sacagawea, the Shoshone woman who guided Lewis and Clark during their expedition across North America in the early 1800s. The front of the coin, or obverse, features a portrait of Sacagawea carrying her infant son, Baptiste, designed by artist Glenna Goodacre. The reverse side shows a majestic soaring eagle, designed by Thomas D. Rogers. Part 2. Geography and Production 130. The coin was struck at two major U.S. Mint locations. Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark. Denver Mint, marked with D. Millions of these coins were minted for general circulation in 2000, and they were widely distributed across the United States, including through post offices, transit systems, and vending machines. Although intended to replace paper dollars, the public didn't widely adopt the coin, leading to limited use in daily transactions. However, it gained popularity among collectors and Native American communities. Part 3. Circulation and Varieties 230. In the year 2000, hundreds of millions of Sacagawea dollars were struck. Most coins entered circulation, while a smaller portion was released in uncirculated mint sets, proof sets, and collector rolls. Some rare varieties include Cheerios dollar, a special version of the 2000 Sacagawea dollar included in boxes of Cheerios cereal. These coins have high-relief eagle-tail feathers on the reverse and are very valuable. Wounded Eagle, a rare die-error version showing a line through the eagle's body on the reverse. Goodacre presentation finish. 5,000 specially struck coins given to the designer, Glenna Goodacre, by the Mint. Part 4. Coin condition and grading 330. Coin condition plays a major role in its value. Let's look at common grading conditions. Circulated condition. These coins show where from use. Value is generally $1 unless it's a rare error or variety. Extra fine, XF, light wear on high points, still attractive. Slightly higher collector value. About uncirculated AU. Nearly mint condition with minimal wear. Uncirculated MS60, MS70. Never used in commerce. These coins shine brightly, and higher grades like MS68, MS70 can be worth $10 to $100 plus, especially if they are certified by grading services like PCGS or NGC. Proof coins, made for collectors with mirror-like finishes, typically found in proof sets. These have high numismatic appeal. Part 5. Value and collectability, 430. While most 2000 Sacagawea dollars are worth face value, some can be quite valuable. Cheerios dollars can sell for $2,000 to $7,000 depending on condition. The last step, we're diving deep into the story of the 2005 Liberty $1 coin, commonly known as the Sacagawea dollar. From its historical roots and symbolic design to its modern-day value in circulation and uncirculated condition, this is your complete guide to one of America's most culturally rich dollar coins. Section 1. Historical background, 030. The Liberty $1 coin from 2005 is part of the Sacagawea dollar series, first released in 2000 by the United States Mint. The series honors Sacagawea, the Shoshone woman who played a key role in the Lewis and Clark expedition across North America in the early 1800s. In 2005, this coin was issued as part of an effort to increase public interest in the golden-colored dollar coin, which had seen limited success in everyday circulation. It represents liberty, exploration, and Native American contributions to American history. Section 2. Design and Symbolism, 130. The obverse front of the 2005 coin features a portrait of Sacagawea with her infant son, Baptiste, on her back. This design was created by Glenna Goodacre and symbolizes strength, guidance, and the nurturing spirit of leadership. The word liberty and the date, 2005, are inscribed, along with the phrase, "In God We Trust." The reverse back of the 2005 edition features an eagle in flight, designed by Thomas D. Rogers Sr. This powerful image is a tribute to freedom and American sovereignty. It includes inscriptions like United States of America and $1, along with the traditional Latin motto, E pluribus unum, meaning out of many, one. Section 3. Geography and mint locations, 240. The 2005 Sacagawea dollar was minted at two main locations. The Philadelphia Mint, marked with a P. The Denver Mint, marked with a D. No coins from this year were produced for circulation by the San Francisco Mint, but it did strike special proof coins for collectors, which are marked with an S. These proof coins were made with high-polished dies and are typically found in mint sets or proof sets. Section 4. Circulation and Production, 340. In total, more than 7.7 million Sacagawea dollars were minted in 2005. Philadelphia Mint, P. approximate 2.5 million coins. Denver Mint, D. approximate 5.2 million coins. San Francisco Mint, S. proof around 3 million coins, non-circulating. Interestingly, these coins were not widely released into general circulation. Instead, most were distributed through numismatic programs, educational tools, and collector sets. Because of this, many $2005 remain in uncirculated condition today. Section 5. Condition and Value, 445. Let's talk about condition. Circulated condition. In average worn condition, the 2005 Sacagawea dollar is generally worth its face value of $1. Uncirculated condition, mint state 60 to 65, these can sell for between $2 to $4 depending on grade. Proof coins, especially with deep cameo finish, these can go for $5 to $10 or more, particularly if graded by NGC or PCGS. High-grade specimens, MS68 plus, these rare coins can fetch $20 to $100 plus, especially if they are nearly flawless and certified. Section 6. Collector Notes, 6 o'clock. Collectors should keep an eye out for full strike details on Sacagawea and the eagle feathers. Lustrous, untuned surfaces for high mint state grading. Proof-like fields or cameo contrast on S mint-proof coins. Special packaging from U.S. mint sets that preserve coin quality. Also, while not known for major errors, a few examples of off-center strikes, double dies, or planchet defects have surfaced and can command premium prices. Conclusion 710. The 2005 Liberty Sacagawea dollar is more than just a coin. It's a tribute to American exploration, cultural legacy, and the spirit of liberty. While its everyday value might still be $1, its story and beauty give it much more worth to collectors and history enthusiasts alike. If you've got one in your collection, hold on to it. And if you're new to coin collecting, this could be a perfect place to start. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the fascinating world of coins. Leave a comment below if you own this coin or want to learn about another. Would you like a version of this script in Urdu or as a video narration template?